Your vehicle has veered off the road and is rapidly filling with water. The electrical system shorts out, and water rises past your chest. Panic triggers a move toward brute force. You throw your shoulder against the door and strike the center of the window with your fist. These efforts fail. The immense hydrostatic pressure outside holds the door shut with massive force, and physical strikes against the center of the glass only waste your remaining oxygen. Effective escape depends on two hardened steel prongs located 2 inches above your head. Surviving a submerged vehicle requires applying mechanical knowledge to the environment. To find an exit, you have to understand the specific properties of automotive glass. Windshields are made of laminated safety glass. 2 layers of glass are bonded to a flexible plastic inner layer to keep occupants inside during a high-speed collision. It will spider crack, but it will not shatter. Side windows use